Hey
Hey
guys!
guys! Today we found a free giveaway, so we are going to be recording it and seeing if this is a scam.
Yup.
So yeah. Okay, come on now. Let's over here. Okay, right now this person, he's doing the giveaway. It's okay. He's gonna give us the instructions now. I just asked if it's trust because we don't do trades. That's how. Oh my poor the nerd glasses got scammed if you guys didn't see my last video.
Oh yeah. That was very sad. Wasn't it? Luna Starlight.
Yeah. You could call me Lana Starlight or Llama Rabbit. I'm gonna publish this video on both
Alright. Well, I'm just gonna keep spamming question mark.
anyway. Okay, this person is definitely being
Come on. I think that's as far as you can go. Like, all the way to whatever number
wait,
this is.
She just said I will decline so you can oh, okay. Okay, so look here this like this is not frustrating.
It's not.
It's not. She's going to decline it. She's not gonna accept it. So do whatever you want. She's gonna decline it. If she accepts, okay, good. She declines. If she accepts, you better decline
Okay.
it. Alrighty. And
But what
let's
if it's something good?
see. She's not going to accept. If she does, this is all going to be on camera.
Yeah. I will give her something so rare.
You hardly have any.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna give her this. Dun. Tree. Don't accept. Good, she declined it. So she's giving a free giveaway?
Ooh, let's see. I hope she doesn't decline. I hope she does decline. Good, she declines it. She declined it.
I'm giving her so much stuff.
Okie dokie. Lemon choky.
Lemon choky?
Sorry, I don't know what's happening.
Yeah, like that. I'm giving her so many things. Oh, I'm all out of rares.
Oh yeah, tip for you.
Done.
Trust trees out there.
Done. It's not working.
Don't ever go into someone's
Okay, I'm
den
not.
if they're trying to do trading
Uh,
because that's because there's nobody else who will be in there with you to support them and still be able to block their dens. So always try to make them go to
yeah.
your den.
Okay. But what if they leave?
Then record whenever you do it.
Alright. I'm gonna see if these other guys have good trades. Trades.
You said trades.
No, trades. I said trades on accident. Ooh, that's a part of a set. Oh, that's very cool. Well, then I wouldn't have to get another set.
Alright,
Just for you guys.
Ooh.
Just to tell you guys, we kind of messed up in the new videos. Some of the new videos.
The last video.
Oh, yeah. Why? I don't know why I just.
In his last video. All you can
Yeah.
hear was like a horn for me. Like
Peanuts?
Yeah, it's called Peanuts. The orange Charlie Brown movie.
Oh yeah.
Okay, I'm giving her a set.
I'm going to give this
And
person
boom.
some rare stuff. Come on. Wow, I guess when that happens, when I press
No,
out,
that only happened. No, she's on doing it. After the person. So this person.
I know. Okay.
Okay, make sure you don't trade while she's still with someone else.
She is not trading.
And now, share. You might hear some background noise.
From our family members.
Yeah. And
This isn't even worth anything. I'm giving her stuff that it's not worth. Oops.
what does she say?
Okay.
This is what we were doing, and I think for my dad's items, and she that's
Oh.
that.
Let's go down to that. Okay. I'm giving her 7 items.
Don't. Now. Do it. It's for everything.
I'm giving her. She declined it. That was a very good trade. So,
Yeah, but still. She's going to. She's not supposed to accept.
So she's only gonna accept the things she likes?
No, she's not going to accept that. That's frustrating.
Oh.
Okay, don't do anything and make sure she's not trading.
Alright.
Give her everything?
So this is a free giveaway, right?
Yeah.
Doesn't seem like it is. Okay. We'll be right back, guys.
Okay, guys, I have almost all of my stuff. Is she trading?
No. Oh,
Okay.
yes, she is now. Wait,
Well,
no,
with
she's
me,
trading with you.
she's trading with me.
Yeah.
She declined it.
Okay.
I think she declined.
I have so many bad stuff.
Okay,
I just
don't do
bad stuff.
anything. And let's see if she'll be trading around with it.
Okay.
Go
Jammer is winning. She said Jammer is winning.
That's me. That's me.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see that one.
Okay. You're gonna win so badly. Just give her so many items. So many
That's what I'm
items.
doing.
Alright, like try to give her a set.
I already did.
Give her all your sets.
I only have one. On my other
okay.
account, I have.
Okay, so
I'm winning because I gave her the most stuff. I don't know if she thinks they're worth it. My stuff isn't worth anything.
No, you have so many good
maybe my
stuff.
skeleton suit.
You have so many good stuff. I'm looking on Luna's screen right now. She has so much good stuff.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna trade her as much stuff as I can.
You know what? I'm going to
Jingle bells,
trade it.
jingle bells, jingle. I don't know why I'm singing
You
Christmas songs.
it was Christmas
It wasn't.
so long ago.
I'm gonna give her my tuxedo.
Tuxedos are cool. Wind Wolf is winning.
Yeah.
Oh gosh, Luna, you gotta catch up to Wind Wolf.
It's the bird. It's the bird right there.
I know. What you get if you win, lol.
You get nothing.
What if you actually did get nothing?
I
And she
think
kicked us all out of the den.
I'm good for all my
My,
Sorry guys, I'll just like say that for real names, but we don't need to but I tend to see a secret.
yeah, I'm so bad at that.
Yeah, and you are. Okay.
Oh, it's moving, it's moving, it's moving. She is not trading. Well,
Here she's trading.
she
Okay.
declined it. Come on.
I will win.
Lol. Lol. Who's winning? Jammer is winning. Yes, that's you. I'm gonna just call you Jammer.
Yeah, just call me.
But just so you guys know,
We accidentally say we don't.
no, that's not really what I was gonna say. But
Oh,
just so you guys know, don't search up Jammer because that's not my
they could
sister's
see
name.
my username right here, so they could just copy it. Buddy, I'll turn my buddy
Okay.
buddy request. You guys wanna be my buddy?
Why do you not have your buddy request on?
Oh, because some people kept thinking I was surprised since I was guys. And so people keep on dating me, like rarely. I see people saying, "Buddy me in my mail," and then they're all like, "Wanna be my boy?"
That's
It's so weird. It's like this.
we don't even know them. Well, you don't. I don't really know them at all. I've never
Nobody
seen them.
does. Well, maybe for people that know them.
Okay, so
Okay.
she is not trading
Okay,
right now. Ugh.
okay, one more thing and then I'm gonna
Mm. I want some pumpkin pie for reals right now.
okay, now I'm gonna
I made it. I made some in kindergarten. Wait, no, preschool. I made some in preschool, and it was they gave me ingredients. It was so good. Oh, I wish I can make some more. Jammer is still winning. Come on, Jammer. Okay. I might be doing something.
just give her everything.
Yeah. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna cut my mic off for a second, but I'll still be recording. Oh yeah, I forgot. Jammer, can you cut your mic off for a sec?
Sure.
Okay.
Just pause it. Okay, so I have one now, so she's gonna give me my prize.
Yeah.
Okay. Looks like I have two of these items. But it's nice to have more.
Well,
Hold on, I got mail.
someone just said hi. Okay. We are allowed to look on each other's screens, too.
Okay, my recording's done.
Okay. We are going to leave right now. I mostly watched my sister, but bye, guys.